Hi, in this video we're going through how to elevate or promote a user in your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan. I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. And in this video we're going through how to promote, elevate or otherwise improve the access of a user that is already on your WordPress system. In this case, what we need to do is head straight to the dashboard. You can see here I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, just head to /wp-admin, or if you're not sure how to log in, there is a link in the description below which will take you through to a video that walks you through it. To access the users, what we'll first need to do is get the list. So head over to users and all users. Now, if you can't see this, it means that your account doesn't have access and you'll need to ask a website administrator to do this for you. But if you can, just head to all users and you can see here we're going to example user. So we'll scroll down. In this case, example user is a contributor. Now in the other window here, I've just got a incognito window. So look for the black bar up the top just to make sure that we're looking at so to look at the contributor there. And you can see a contributor only gets access to posts and comments. And even then, they can only see their own. They can't actually edit other people's. So we'll pop that off and back to our administrator account. So light bar up the top to see what's going on. And we're going to upgrade this person's account to an editor. So in this case, we're going to pretend that example user has been promoted. They've proved they're able to use WordPress. They can be trusted and they have gone up in the organization from an administrator's point of view. So we're going to promote them all the way up to editor. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click update user. Then we'll go back to their account, do a quick hard refresh. And you'll notice now they can start editing categories, tags, they can edit pages, they can view comments. And now all of these are available so they can start editing their own posts as well as other people's posts. Very important. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left-hand side here for more WordPress tips. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a brand new WordPress tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.